Welcome to Fascinating Finds with Kim. Today we're going to look at the find called a Venus flytrap. People find them wrong with you. Do you have any Venus flytraps?
We had Venus flytraps that'd probably be indoors in that inside greenhouse. So that's where we got more of the tropical plants. I think that's where they'd be, buddy.
What'd you say?
Thank you. So I did get poked by one, but luckily it didn't go that far. Oh, this is nice too. Oh. I think we're in the right place. Do you see one? Did you see one? Oh, look, cactuses. Open them. Oh, Venus flytrap here? No Venus flytrap here, but let's see what we can find. What do we find? Oh, sweet watermelon. Can we grow that? Which one do you think we should pick though?
4:30.
Just let me know when he gets here.
All right,
Already?
I'll text him. Yeah,
What time is it?
it's 4:09.
It's after 4.
I know.
We're getting there, Fred.
countdown.
I think we're gonna make it.
I think the countdown is on.
Is this a strawberry?
The countdown is on.
Sorry.
I need my feet too. Next stop, Walmart. Let's see if they have one there. Do you think they'll have any Venus flytraps? I do, because I'm trying to be positive. Cactuses. These are pretty cactuses. More cactuses. I wish Venus flytraps were cactuses right now. I wish the cactuses were Venus flytraps. Oh, they're not very healthy. Yeah. They're all torn up though. They're not very healthy. I think we should get this one because it looks the most healthiest. This one has the most traps that are not all twisted up. Which one? Oh, no, bad. we forgot to ask them if they have peat and perlite. I have perlite. Perlite, perfect. So if you want to grow a Venus flytrap, you need a Venus flytrap, a pot. You need rocks, water, either bugs or fish food. And the dirt that you're going to need is peat, perlite, and add water. And keep doing that pattern until it fills up the whole pot. And then you have to then plant the Venus flytrap and you're good. I need some help reaching. But humans can't.
Flies can smell it.
Yeah.
But not humans.
The inside is like sticky, so sweet, so they go in there.
And they can only get the nectar from the inside.
You're doing a good job. You know all about it.
You're gonna need this, which is peat moss.
I've never seen it.
Yep. It's because peat moss and perlite don't have any nutrients. And this plant gets nutrients from the flies.
So you get a bigger pot.
Peat, perlite, water.
Put this in here first?
Huh?
You put this in here first?
No, you put that in there first, then this, then distilled water.